Hello everyone. Now we are talking about admission plan. Every institute having a plan for taking admission of student like return test or any interview or any presentation like that. We are going to create that admission plan. Now this is the welcome screen. Go to the entrance test menu and then this admission plan. Here we can see that there is already created admission plans. Now we are going to create the plan. Then go to the select this program as now we are creating the plan for the MBA 4th semester. We can choose anything else. You can. Now go to the CBT result declaration test. As the field suggested, we are inserting the particular record. CBT test, press F3 for choosing the date as 19. Now the time of the result declaration. Make sure that this CBT result declaration or this date or the time declared here that is resemble or that is confirm that the program hierarchy, that particular date lies in between the that when the particular program start or ended. Now make it time as 11. Admission date is press F3. We are going to choose the date as 21st for the admission date, and orientation date is from press F3, that is 28 to 2 December. Induction date starts from press F3 and and date as now class start date as number of classes in that particular trimester or particular section, as we are going to create more classes it will be 6. Number of students which are studying in that particular trimester and make it as 15. For example, now 5,000 is our registration fees. Eligibility criteria. If there is any eligibility criteria we are going to mention, then make it as write it as here, otherwise blank it. If there is any media plan, then insert it, otherwise blank it. There is any scholarship criteria, like scholarship will be available for the student which having 70% in 12 and 60% in graduation. Scholarship criteria is anything else we can do. Now if we are going to upload an image for the advertisement of this particular program, then we can choose it like this. If there is any, we can choose anything. I have this only. Now the university seats, as suppose we are having a university seats as 20. It means that we are taking admission for the student number as 20. Now if selection criteria, if it will be yes, then it shows that every student having marks in their every test, that particular test will be automatically now if selection criteria keep it as yes, then it will take the selection criteria of that earlier as we decided in the earlier video, and if it will no, then we can manually choose the students for the next particular step for the admission. Now if we are going to use it as yes, suppose, then reject percentage, make it as this. Now this is the field of the reject amount, then we are going to fill it as 40%. If any student having 40% in particular test, then it will be in reject list. Weighting this percentage to and from this, and weighting this percentage from this. If there is any vacancy of this nominee, as we are giving as 20, and if the selected student as 18, suppose we are having vacancy as number in 2, and we take the admission from the vacancies on the merit basis, like vacancies percentage having 41% from this to 50%, and the offer percentage, the final student which are selected having percentage in the offer percentage as 60%, like it, or make it any other. Now we are going to save it. Now this is saved successfully, as you see here in the search. We are inserting the data for the trimester 4, and this is the trimester 4 record. If we are going to double click on any record, then it will be shown in our fields.